maybe?
Oh, eraser. Whoops. Can I cover the black with purple?
It takes a toll on your mental health. I think everybody I talk to just says, Sarah, you sound exhausted. It's a lot, you know, it's like trying to keep my clients safe, trying to keep my family safe, trying to keep my house in order, a roof over our heads, you know, and then you see everything that's going on in the news, you worry about the whole country. It's a lot, and it feels like we're constantly juggling, and you know, balls are dropping and I'm picking them up, and maybe I'm not picking them up, and then I'm worried about what's being left behind, and then a kid throws a fit, and you know, it's a lot. Both work full time, and our employers have been really flexible and really understanding.
Mommy, let's make
And of course, we've had to work from home, but these two little ones are not in school. They were in daycare, and the daycare was closed for quite some time. So we were balancing caring for them while both working full time from home. So it's been a little bit of a challenge.
We tried to split the days, 4 hours each for a while, and the nature of our work just didn't allow that to happen. You know, we just weren't getting any work done. A lot of my Zoom meetings have a kid in them, and people have been really gracious about it. There's only been one time where someone was not so gracious about it, and you know, I just kind of walked. It's usually Paloma who's hanging out with me. Walked Paloma out to mom and said, you know, you got to hang out with the two kids for a while, because I had a Zoom meeting with someone. But for the most part, people have been really gracious.
Oh yeah, it's completely different than homeschool, because I think homeschool is intentional. Homeschool is a choice that a family makes, and you know, they get all the resources together and make choices about what the homeschool is going to look like, and versus what it is now, which is just kind of a hodgepodge of activities and
Just trying to
survival things throughout the day. Yeah, it's I think much different than what homeschool would be.
Like during this pandemic, if you don't have a big safety net, I mean, a lot of people don't realize how few steps away from homelessness they are. You know, and we're not quite there, right? But I mean, there's a lot of people who, you know, they can't just drop the kids off at grandma's, or they can't like ask their neighbor to take care for their kids, or you know, or if their car breaks down, like they're fired, you know, out of a job, and that's things cascade really quickly. So we're fortunate to not be quite in that situation, but you know, we're also fortunate to not have two 6-year-olds. We talk about this regularly. Like if we had to have that idea of sending kids back to school, I mean, I frankly would not want to, because I don't think it's safe for anybody at that school. Teachers, kids alike. But that's also not to say that I want to teach my kids from home.
Or can, or have the ability to.
You know, and we're fortunate, and it's still difficult. You know, so we have trouble even imagining what it would be like for people who don't have that flexibility.